Welcome to the Click242 Nature app. In this short demo, we will show you how to use the app in 10 easy steps. Once you launch the app, you will see the Click242 Nature logo, then the main menu. The main menu is a list of all of the features in the app. Select any of the listed titles to view the section. Each section has one or more tabs. Navigate each section by selecting a tab. The contents of each tab can be viewed by scrolling up and down. Each post can be viewed by selecting it. Then you can select any available photos. You can also view comments, share, submit your own comment, or like the post. To go back to the section, select the icon at the top left of your screen. Select it again to go back to the main menu. Videos and photos are easy to view. Select a title. Select a tab. Then select the item you wish to view. You can also view the title, share, or look at other information. Click X to go back, then back to the main menu. To view photos, select a title. Then select an album. Each album has photos. Scroll up and down to view them. Select a photo, and again you can share using this icon. Navigate forward, backward, or you can play the slideshow. Anywhere you see the share button, you will also be able to share that item with friends on Facebook, Twitter, or email. You can also zoom in on photos or view photos and videos in landscape view. It's that easy. We hope you enjoy using the app. Follow us on Twitter or like us on Facebook.